In this video, I'll show you how to switch from 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi to 5 GHz Wi-Fi on your Windows laptop or PC. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Switching to 5 GHz can give you a faster and more stable connection, especially for streaming and gaming. Here's how to do it. First, click the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in Device Manager, then open it. In Device Manager, scroll down and expand Network Adapters. Find your Wi-Fi adapter, double-click it, and then go to the Advanced tab. Now check these settings. Make sure 5 GHz channel bandwidth is set to auto. Then, under Preferred Band, set it to 5 GHz. Once you've done that, click OK. Your Wi-Fi adapter will reload, and you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Now, if you open Settings and go to Network and Internet, you should see that you're connected to the 5 GHz band. And that's it. You've successfully switched from 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz Wi-Fi on your Windows computer. If this guide helped you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows tips.